Okay, I already ordered a new surround for the speakers. So right now I just need to remove the existing speaker, and it requires the Allen wrench like this. And I already took out all this screw already, and this is the last one. And after unscrew this, then I can take this cover out. And okay, so I can remove this cover, and you can see this is the crossover on here, and it's all the speaker connection right here, and then this the insulation here. So I need to remove the insulation to reach the woofer. Okay, I'm pulling out the insulation. You can this two nut right here. Just need to unscrew this nut, and you can take this woofer out. Two nut right here. One in here and one in here. The middle support this piece here. Okay, I can reach this woofer right now. So eventually I can pull this thing out. So I just need to unsolder this so I can remove all this. Try to knock it out, and finally I got a second one over out too. Just like this. So I have both right now. So I just need to unsolder this woofer here, so I can repair both woofer. Okay, first step is take this one out. It's a piece of cover. Remove this cover so I can expose the surround. Okay, I re-scratch out the surround, the old one out right now. So I'm do some little bit cleaning around the edge here. Do some cleaning here. So I'm ready for put a new surround. Last one. Okay, I'm going to start work on this one. I'm going to apply the glue on the inside edge of the surround. Okay, I just put in the surround. I hook it up to the speaker unit, and seems like all this woofer is working, but this one doesn't work. So we need to take this apart and check it out. The inside the voice coil is short too. So the one on the left channel upper woofer is not working. I found the coil is okay. Eventually, when I measure this lead and the other lead, turned out it's a 7.5 ohm. But from here to here, no connection there. And this side is okay. Left side is okay, but the right side, the lead to the speaker terminal, broken. So I try to find a way to connect this wire. And right now I already apply the glue around the edge of the spider, which is for the spider right here. So I'm ready to put it back. And that's how they work right now. Okay, make sure go into that. Okay, after I put it back, what I need is I need to put a shim at the edge of the center of the magnet here. So make sure this right in the middle of the so it's right in the middle right now. Next step is put the glue on the edge of the inside edge of the surround. Okay, I'm ready to put this on. Okay, I'm going to do the test right now.
Flowers brought the sun and the flowers where there used to be rain.
It sounds pretty good. I think
Yesterday,
it's good now. I don't hear the rubbing noise from the coil. So everything going well. I'm going to put a cap back and put it back to the speaker. Okay, I'm putting this speaker back to my unit here. So I'm going to do the testing after I repair the speaker, the woofer. Okay, let me turn on the volume.
What a difference a day made. There's the rainbow before me.
Left channel.
Skies above can be stormy since that moment.
Seems like everything back to normal
That
now.
thrilling kiss, it's heaven when you find romance on your menu. What a difference they made, and the difference is you.
everything wood. So see you next time.